Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So this is a little bit vlog style, me holding the camera, but I know I have done one of these videos previously, but now I wanted to do an updated nursery tour on how I am storing the things that I have and also what I've purchased so far. So as of today, I am just over 31 weeks, so definitely getting into the later stages. So this won't be the complete finalized tour. I'm sure, well, I know there's definitely more things that we need to buy and all of that, but I just thought I'm going to give you an overview of where we are currently at, the things that I've purchased, and yeah. I hope you enjoy. There's my little dog who always joins me, so that is Rocky. But getting straight into it, I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you. When you walk in, this is like an overview of what the room looks like. So this is like the little changing station. It's hard to show you. Little changing station area, the cot, chair, steamer, which has to go, and then a little reading nook here, which is super cute. So let's start with this area. So what we have, I'm so sorry how like shaky and bad this is probably gonna be. I have this little cute sign, which I've had for so long. I need to get possibly a little pot for that tree. It's just to add some color. These shoes, I don't know what you've seen or not. These shoes, these little Supergas, I'm obsessed with. I got them for $30 from TK Maxx, which I know for kids shoes is ridiculous, but they are just so cute. I kind of had to get them. We got the Tommy Tippy Perfect Prep machine. Now we do have a 2-story house, so I thought this for nighttime will probably be a game changer. I don't know if like I'm breastfeeding or what is happening, but I thought let's get organized, so purchased that. The change mat is just from Target and the cover is a Bubba Blue one. Here we went with the Ubi nappy bin, and then I just have this, what's this called, like a little basket here for maybe washing. I just thought it might be easy to undress the baby, throw the clothes in there. Oh my god, I'm so out of breath. If you are pregnant, you will totally understand. Also behind here we have a Philips Hue light. That's going to be the night light. This wall consists of, so these really cute prints and also the wall decals, which I actually got super lucky. These prints I got from Gumtree for $10 for all three, and I got the eucalyptus leaves off eBay for $20 for that whole set, and it's like a few meters long. So the drawers I keep on going back and forth with. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but this, I thought we're just going to keep it basic. I think I'm going to take this out because I don't need that. Yeah, let me fix this first. I'm so unorganized, seriously. Okay. Alright, so this drawer, I want it just for the necessities of what we will need for changing. So, I have, this is a thermometer, then we just have like cotton buds and nappy rash creams, wipes, and then I have heaps of nappies that we need to fill this whole section. I'm thinking of getting like just drawer dividers and doing, yeah, that whole section just nappies. This side, so this is heaps of muslin wraps. Obviously this is empty, and then here we just have another wrap. These are all Love to Dream and Ergo Pouch sleep suits, so very organized with that. Very, very happy with that as well. The next things are just clothes basically. So I have a lot, we don't know the gender, so we have a lot of boys and a lot of girls clothes. This is all 4 zeros, which looking at it now seems like a lot. These are actually 5 zeros. I don't know. There's a lot. It's a little overwhelming. So then we have 000. So quite a few. These are like more winter, and then girls clothes, and then more girls, and unisex pants are all, oh my god, I'm not even showing you. Unisex, and then just like leggings and stuff there. Little Christmas outfits ready. And I don't have many, but these are 000. So more girls and nothing in that drawer. Behind here I will show you. Now we actually have 2 of these. These are the Love to Dream Dreamtime bassinets. So picked up 2, one for upstairs, one for downstairs. This is the cot that we have, which is just honestly a dream. It is so beautiful. It's the Bori Eaton cot, and it actually does convert into a double bed. So we have all of the conversion kit and everything. Obsessed. This blanket is just from Best and Less in Australia. These 2 pillows are from Kmart years ago. I actually bought heaps of baby stuff at some point just because I thought it was super cute. So it's kind of crazy that I'm using it. One of my friends actually just had a baby, and she keeps on putting photos of her baby in one of these baby nests. There are so many different versions and like brands and everything, but I went with the Little Archer Co. As you can see there. Nest, I wanted something super neutral and really just nice for background photos, as ridiculous as that sounds. But yeah, I think it just goes with the theme of like the room and everything. It goes with our lounge downstairs. This giraffe, again from Kmart years ago, one of my friends convinced me to buy it, and I'm so glad she did because it is just perfect. This chair and armchair is from IKEA. It actually comes with black legs, but I wrapped them in Kmart vinyl just so it's not like as dark, and it just matches really nicely, I think. This plinth, I think they're called, I actually got it from a friend a while ago, and again I just think it works so perfectly, like so cute. My dog is always in here, so I really like, I just love how it's coming along. As I said, this steamer needs to go. This, I might close this. This is like a little reading book nook. So that bouncer is just a Fisher Price one. The bear was a gift. The basket is from Kmart, and I've just filled it with like spare books that we have. These shelves, now I love a bargain, and these shelves are actually spice racks from IKEA. I did put a light stain on them because they were super like light. So I just used literally coffee and water. So yeah, I think that that's come out really cute. This is like a night light, which, I mean, if we want to use that as well, you can't really see that, but yeah, that is cute. And I'm sure the books will just change all the time, and then we can use it as decor or whatever, but that is everything there. this cupboard. So I just have a little, again from Kmart years ago, this is a Tooth Fairy plush. So basically when your kid loses a tooth, you put it in here and then you take it and put money in it. That is a pregnancy pillow I was gifted. Here is just some bath stuff. So this, I got a hooded koala towel. It's quite dark in here, sorry. This is just a bath book. And then we just have some face washer things here. Down the bottom, so I just have a spare change mat cover. So just in case you want to get the same one, that's what it is. Another blanket, cot sheets, cot mattress protector, and another sheet there. Oh my God. And the wardrobe. Okay. This is an overview of the wardrobe. So there's really not a lot happening in here at the moment. I have a book, the famous What to Expect When You're Expecting. I have a heap of baby then toddler coat hangers. I've been super organized. Got this little Christmas outfit and then the matching bibs. This was gifted to us for like a coming home outfit. So I'm trying not to forget the special things we have. And then it's just a bib and beanie. And then another possible coming home outfit there. The baby bath we went with is this one, obviously. So this is the Skip Hop Whale Bath. I love that it has a hook. So when we use it, probably downstairs, I'll just chuck this in our shower and let it drain. But yeah, it looks like it will be amazing. So hopefully it will be. The bag here, so this is going to be so hard to show you. Let me just take it out. So this is a Bugaboo changing bag, and it's one of the ones that has like the clips to clip onto your pram. So the pram that we went with is the Bugaboo Fox 3. Very excited to pick it up. But yeah, so that will just clip on perfectly. It'll match because we got a black pram too. Down the bottom, so at the top here, terry toweling nappies. I've been told that these are incredible for burp cloths and cleaning cloths. So I picked those up. I think they were like $20 or something, nothing crazy. Underneath, so we have a box of wipes, another box of wipes, and then a big box of nappies to start us off, and then we'll see how they go. I put this chest of drawers in here. I don't know if it's gonna stay or not. I'm not sure, but I think I need to move it over. Anyway, so in here is random things. So I have our baby monitor, which we will obviously set up. And then here I have bibs, beanies, and some mittens and socks. I have a little Hello World announcement card, which is so cute. Oh my God, this is such bad filming. I'm so sorry, and I'm so out of breath. And then I just have the milestone cards that we went with. So they look like this, which I thought they were so cute compared to everything else that I could see. And here is like hospital postpartum stuff. So it's pretty intense, to be honest. Now, I have been told that disposable, like adult nappies, are what you want. So I've got 2 brands. I don't know what size to have gotten. I'm not sure, but I got a large. I got the Libra maternity pads. These are just like samples that I got. Ural, I heard, is really, really good, so it doesn't burn when you pee. And then in here is just a heap of skincare that I want to bring. Priorities. Nothing in there. And the last drawer is feeding stuff. So as I said, I don't know if we're bottle feeding, breastfeeding, I don't know, but I am leaning more towards bottle. I got the Tommy Tippy, just a microwave steamer. I just wanted something quite small. I also got Tommy Tippy bottles. Hopefully they like them. And then there's just the size 1 teats, and then also the next one's up, so size 2. So just trying to be organized. This was a gift, so just one of these, I think it's called like a haka basically. And then this is just for the Perfect Prep Machine, just a new filter. And that is the updated tour, so I'm sure I will give you more updates as more things arrive, but that is what we have at the moment. I hope you enjoy this. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.